Want your business to show up on Google Maps in search? Let me show you how to set up Google My Business in minutes. Head to business.google.com and click Manage Now to get started. Add your business name, address, phone number, and category. Make sure everything is accurate. Google will ask you to verify your business, usually by postcard, phone, or email. Pick what works best. Add photos, business hours, and a clear description to stand out and attract customers. Keep your profile fresh. Post updates, respond to reviews, and answer questions. Set up your Google My Business today and watch new customers find you. Need help? Drop your questions below.